Hello and welcome to Health Education. My name is Sammy Melendez and I am going to be your student's teacher for the semester. A little bit about me is that I graduated from Northern Illinois University with my bachelor's in athletic training, and then I got my master's in physical education. Once I completed my master's degree, I taught for a year and a half at an elementary school in CPS, and this is now my second year returning to LT. I'm very excited to be back because I'm local. I graduated from George Washington Middle School and from Nazareth Academy, so I'm very excited to be back to be able to connect with our community. Some of the units that we will be covering in health this semester include wellness, nutrition, mental health, substance abuse, human development, and CPR. We realize that some of these units and the content in these units may be very sensitive for some of our students. So if you have any questions or concerns about any of the content in any of the units, or there is anything that you would like me to be aware of, please reach out to me and I will be happy to work with you and make sure that we are meeting the needs of all of our students. The types of assignments your students will have will be different discussion boards. They will have different vocabulary assignments with each of our units. They will be assigned to read some articles and reflect on those. They also may have to do some research in their own personal and family health. Our grading, we use a 50% to a 100% scale, and we have 4 different categories that we are really looking at: our unit vocabulary quizzes, our discussion boards, our projects, and our unit application assessments. I'd like to highlight that our assessments aren't a traditional test as we typically know. It is actually going to be more of a scenario where we give a student a couple scenarios that they can choose from, and they are to explain to us whatever they believe is the answer and show us how they are able to apply the content that we have taught them. If a student does not turn in an assignment, they have 2 weeks to turn that in. Otherwise, that does get turned into a 50%, but until then, it is just marked as an incomplete. You can find all of our course information on Canvas. All of our assignments are on there. All of the resources that we will be using in class will also be on there, and also our Zoom links are on there. You can use your students' login information, or you can create an observer account, and that information can be found on the LTHS website. If you have any questions or concerns at all about anything, or if there is anything you would like me to know about your child, please feel free to email me, and my email is listed right on the screen, and I will get back to you within 24 hours. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.